Why Goa?
After the success of Himachal, we were thinking how big can we make this, right? And not just in terms of scale or experience or the place where we are at, but overall in terms of feeling, right?
Yeah, bro, that's why we chose Goa. Goa can be calm, it can be relaxing, it can be anything you want it to be, right? We wanted people to come here, reflect if they want to, network with people, and chill at the same time.
Our main aim has always been to make every retreat better than the last one.
100%, bro. That's why we thought, let's go all out and have some fun.
If you stuck
Made it
around
happen.
through the rags, my motivation these days is different. I mostly be to myself, I don't wanna spoil a couple things I prayed for and was gifted. Just peep the drive, see how I stayed in my lane when they shifted. I knew that time could not erase what my destiny's written. Right there next to these writtens, in my skin and my DNA like the one that was risen. I'm out that grave and I'm where life is the only decision. I'm not alone in my plight, I want you alone for the flight, about to take off in a minute. I dreamed it all, changed my lifestyle. Money, nice house,
तो मनाली का तो बहुत स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड था यार. मतलब मेरे को DM आया इंस्टाग्राम पे एक विला ओनर का, उसने बोला कि भाई आजा, विल होस्ट सम ऑफ योर फ्रेंड्स एंड कलीग्स. मैंने देखो टेक्स्ट किया कि ब्रो लेट्स डू समथिंग आउट ऑफ इट, वी कैन टेक आवर फॉलोअर्स, इट कुड बी अ गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी टू बिल्ड समथिंग न्यू, समथिंग डिफरेंट. वी प्लान्ड एवरीथिंग इन अ वीक और सो, got 50 people applying for it, we took 12 good people and it was crazy. I think there was beauty in impromptu-ness of things as well, because since nothing was planned, we were able to figure things out then and there. And also the volume of people was not more, it was just 12, 13, so group was much more closer. But this time across, we knew that we wanted to make it much bigger, right? And that is why I think we reached out to Stay Vista and we figured this out. We had a lot of villa key option key choices, but this villa especially stood out.
Recently visited Bali and I actually thought, like, I felt that I was in Bali in this house.
I haven't stayed myself in a villa of this size where it has 10 rooms, occupancy of 30 people. It's insane, right? So I think the idea since start was to make it bigger, better, much better experience. We had a team, we had the creative director, a guy and UGC person for the short form content. For logistics, we figured out exactly how the itinerary is going to look like, even though we fucked up still, but I still feel much better planned than the last one.
And I would say कि this retreat was impromptu in deciding, the place that it's going to be Goa.
I mean, like when it comes to Goa, whenever somebody hear the word Goa, instantly they think about going out, partying, chilling on the beaches, right? And I think because of the season and everything, even though we were in Goa, we have not went on a beach single time, right? So still I think it turned out to be pretty chill because of the vibes that Goa brings on the table, number one. Number two, the people we got, like people from all this spectrum. We literally have a guy who's 31 and then we have two guys who are 19. So the spectrum is massive. The conversations that we could have, the spectrum of those conversations was really good. So everybody was kind of getting something out of it. People were not getting bored. Things were planned. It was fun. It was adventurous as well at times, where we had the run we did, right? So I think planning got the job done for us.
Definitely.
Is what I feel. So yeah.
It's our operation. It's our manager of logistics, operations head. Our logistics person, Akshat's sister Khushi, she planned the whole retreat. I think because we were managing the backend, we were making the retreat happen in the sense that it has to happen. She was great at planning everything, and I would say picking cold plunge or going to that studio, it's like our version of the cold plunge that we did in the first retreat.
Yeah.
Because it's an activity that's super uncomfortable.
For sure. The connections that you can make when you are doing things that makes you uncomfortable, where you have to face your fear, is something else, right? And I think we took that as a learning, and we knew for a matter of fact that we have to have a activity, we have to have a structure, time blocks for an activity or activities where some of the people are getting comfortable, right? Where they have to push themselves into doing things that they would generally would not do, for doing things that make you uncomfortable. So we are about to go to a place called Kaizen from over here, and my idea was we'll run for a while, we'll do 3-4 kilometers run. We ended up doing a run which is like very steep, 4 kilometers uphill. Got really tired, we took the cab. So yeah, the reason why I wanted to go on a run is because when I was in Bali, I went on a run. one creator, we went to Daniel's run club, right? And it was very uncomfortable for me in terms of we were exhausted and I was unable to run properly, is what I would say. And that was something that I took personally, and I was like, I need to improve my cardio and something. So when I got back to Mumbai, I started kind of working on my cardio, and so this was my chance to actually prove to myself that I have done something. And also the idea of making everybody available at 6 a.m. kind of, people getting uncomfortable again. So good dopamine hits first thing in the morning. And then obviously activities that Khushi planned, from red light therapy, ice plunge, sauna, Pilates, right? Like yoga, it likes pretty much everything, right? So yeah. And Saksham feels Pilates is easy.
Yeah, easy as fuck, bro.
I mean, like one thing that I've learned, bro, like in the last 3 to 4 months of building the Journey Club is that we need a solid team. We always talk about it, right? We need solid freaking guys, right? It's like even this, we sitting over here, doing it again, right? It's because there is a team member who's pushing us, setting everything up and making sure that we actually show up and we get the job done.
Yeah.
Imagine setting all of this ourselves and then also sitting down and talking about it. It's almost impossible, right?
Yeah, and the team is there for everyone. Like if someone fucks up,
Yeah.
like we are there to,
Make sure they are not
Yeah,
getting
so-
depressed, right?
The context is yesterday we shot this whole thing, and then after 45 minutes of continuous talking, we realized that it was shot in SNQ,
Yeah.
and we were not recording our mics separately as well.
Apparently, our creative director, who has worked with some of the biggest YouTubers, is also an actor.
Who pulled Shah Rukh Khan's ear?
Shah Rukh Khan ears is still
Yeah, he banged himself.
human
on the
error
wall.
is inevitable.
Yeah,
So yeah,
he just banged himself on the wall.
yeah.
he was
shouting in the washroom, but it's
Yeah.
fine. Part of the
It's
process.
fine. Part of the process.
Yeah, we support our team.
Yeah.
That's always the case, man. Like that is always the case. So even when we were in Manali, I talked about this, right? Like the major difference between hosting offline events and talking to people online is that when you come together, people are able to talk to each other. Their entire kind of ego that they surround themselves with goes down, right?
When you spend time with people for days and not just a few hours or maybe 30 minutes, you get to see a side of them where you're able to understand what's behind what they're putting out in front.
True.
Right? How are these guys living their life? How are
Yeah.
these guys managing stuff? My observation has been all the time is that knowledge is abundant. It's everywhere. What's happening here, this isn't.
This isn't, yeah.
I believe everyone here is leaving with a valuable connection, and I think it's very difficult for a lot of people to do it by themselves.
Fill in the blanks. Complete this sentence. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Journey Club Goa. The Journey Club Retreat Goa was. Journey Club Goa Retreat was. The Journey Club Goa Retreat was.
It was one of the best experience that I ever had.
will only get it when you're in it because it's more of an experience.
You can say, at least for me and few other people, is another turning point in life.
The perfect blend of bakchodi and also mindset development.
It was fantastic.
Probably one of the best experiences I've ever had till date.
Exceptional. Full of energy for myself.
It was extremely enlightening.
Life changing, because my journey now starts now. Right? And that's a promise I'm also making to myself. I'm gonna look back at this video 1 year from now, and it'll be great.
Because you end up realizing so many things ki they were right in front of you, but you were just never aware of them.
And I met a lot of guys over there. They were very funny, interactive, creative, and are doing great. And being around them was crazy. So I loved this.
And it was a very insightful trip. I think anyone and everyone who's looking to build something, this is not sponsored या फिर मेरे को पैसे नहीं मिल रहे, मैंने पैसे दिए इधर. तो if anyone or everyone who's looking to build something, आप आओ, आप JC के events आओ, you'll know the value why people are sharing it on their stories and people are building some great things.
There's no one word you can define it with, honestly.
If I were to wrap it up and in the shortest way possible, I would say it's been amazing, and I've learned a lot, and I've also understood that I don't know anything, so which is great because now I get to learn from so many different people, and yeah, so it's been amazing.
You know this town's got the best of me. Are we sure it's the last time?
So yeah, I would again say you know, like kudos to everybody over here. Like we do our part to execute it, but I feel without people like you coming together and having such good conversations, actually kind of being vulnerable, sharing your stories and journeys, helping each other out, is what actually make the retreat a success.
Absolutely.
Otherwise, it's just some another marketing stunt that we do, right? And the beauty of it is that everybody who is here know that it's not a marketing stunt, and we actually do it because we love doing it. And yeah, so that's something we'll keep doing for the longest time. Let's go, let's go.
This was Akshad and Saksham Journey Club Retreat.
Signing out.
Signing off. The co-founder here. इसको
मूतना है भाई.
मूत रहा है इसको. वो अंकल वाला लेफ्ट में छुट्टा पी रहे हैं, उनको बिल्कुल अक्षत का क्लियर व्यू दिख रहा है. There were some compromising positions we were put into where yeah, we were put in some bad positions, but yeah,
27-year-old guys split in half.
Yeah.
You are missing out on a spree of mental sex. Yeah.